Vocabulary quiz set 6.7. Some helpful hints: skip around, do the easy ones first, cross off answers as you go, listen to it being read out loud, and you can always start with the back page if you need to. Part 1 is matching. So directions: match the words to the definitions by writing the letter in the blanks. Part 1, we have courtesy, necessity, thorough, offend, ally, and deliberate. A, something that cannot be avoided or without. B, to join or unite for a purpose. C, done or said on purpose. D, to break a law, to cause hurt feelings. E, complete or exact in every detail. And F, polite, thoughtful. Matching part 2, we have dominate, appoint, absolute, regain, attentive, and dense. G, to choose someone for a position. H, paying attention, polite. I, above all others, having the most power. J, packed together, thick. K, without errors, without doubt, sure of it. And L, to get back, to reach again. Part 2 is fill in the blank. In our word bank, we have offend, dominant, thorough, deliberate, ally, courtesy, absolute, necessity, regained, appoint, attentive, and dense. Number 1, please have the blank to listen during the assembly and not make noises. 2, the president is the blank person in the government and has a lot of power. 3, they did a blank search of the wooded area to find the dog. 4, his blank action got him into trouble. If it had been an accident, the punishment would not be as severe. 5, I have blank faith in the weather prediction that there will be 12 inches of snow tomorrow. 6, England is a blank of the United States and supports us during the war. 7, the blank forest was searched for the lost dog. 8, the football player blanked the ball back from the other team in time to score. 9, it made sense to blank the new substitute as the new teacher. 10, he didn't mean to blank his friend when he asked, "Did you shower today?" 11, the students were blank during the holiday concert and didn't make a peep. And 12, it is a blank to brush your teeth in the mornings.